Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, go ahead and consider subscribing to the channel. Also, smash that thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate it. It helps out my channel. This tractor here, this is a Ford 2000 Ford tractor. This sticker tractor, it has a coolant leak. As you can see, there's coolant right there driven out of the hose, and you can see it down there on the ground. Now, the problem with this coolant, that sucker's red hot right now. Well, not red hot, excuse that. It's hot to the touch. I ain't gonna touch it now, but the thermostat right there in the Formco housing, well, I'm gonna assume it's stuck. It's bad. Said this tractor's overheating because the thermostat's bad. When it cools off, I'll check the radiator here and make sure it's got plenty of coolant in it. But like I said, if you got plenty of coolant in your radiator and it's still overheating, check your fan clutch in here and make sure your belt, if you can see in there, yeah, right there, make sure your belt has got plenty of tension on it and it's not jumped off. Because if it has, then your fan won't run, it won't spin, and your tractor will overheat. Like I said, those are two common problems why your tractor's overheating. Either you got a bad thermostat, or it's simply out of coolant. Somebody filled it up with water and whatnot. Or like I said, the belt going to your fan clutch is either broke or slipping, so your fan isn't rotating inside the shroud assembly to help cool the engine. Like I said, if you got a tractor that's overheating, check those common problems. Hopefully this video helps you out and get your tractor where it's not overheating. Hit that thumbs up button. Y'all have a great day.